Somebody say, help the preacher. You see, Moses knew that the battle was going to go into the next day. But see, the people, they didn't know that. I feel like preaching. I said, the people, they didn't know that. They said, we're going to go into battle. And the leader has given me instructions. And I'm going to carry the instructions out, and I'm going to be able to fight this war. But they didn't know how long they were going to fight. Somebody say, help the preacher. Hallelujah. So that Moses knew that the next day, that the Israelites, they would get a little worried, and they would want to give up. Look at somebody and say, the leader knows best. So Moses knew that when the people started to fail, they were going to look for their leader. And he had to be in position where all of them could see him at the same time. Hallelujah. So I want to encourage you that in a time of adversity, it's okay for you to look for your leader. In a time of sadness and sorrow, it's okay for you to look for your leader. In a time of distress and defeat, it's okay for you to look for your leader. Because your leader is going to be with the Lord interceding on your behalf. Oh, I know somebody said when a time of trouble, I'm going to look for God. I ain't going to look for my leader. Well, I would believe that if you would have did that when your light bill was due. I would have believed that if you would have did that when your rent was due. But the fact of the matter is you needed some help. And you knew that the only way you could get the help that you needed, you had to talk to your leader. So I want to encourage you today that when you're in a situation that you think you can't get out of, I want you to look for your leader. Don't look for your leader because he's going to give you a handout. Don't look for your leader because he's going to pull you out of a situation. Look for your leader because your leader is talking to God. He's telling God that it's okay. He's telling God, bring him out, Lord. Deliver him, Lord. Set him free, Lord. Somebody say, help the preacher. Hallelujah.